Hello everyone, today I'm going to show the unboxing of a new 32-inch or rather 31.5-inch monitor from AOC. The exact model number is C32V1Q as shown here. So this is the box. So so as you see, I've unpacked it already. Just want to be efficient in unpacking everything, and then I'm recording this video now. So there's a set of instructions here, very roughly drawn onto the box itself. So this is unpacking the monitor and setting it up. In fact, this part here will be the unpacking part first. So taking out the monitor, the most important thing when first unpacking is the base itself. So if you see on step 4 there, it shows how to screw in the V-shaped metal base to the monitor in step 4, and then before we take the monitor out and put it on a table. Now over here we can see more details. It shows see step 2 you can tilt the monitor, and step 3 shows connect to the computer, the PC. And one other point is that in step 4 here, there's a little panel here which may not be needed, but I'll show you the parts soon. So here are the items that has been unpacked. There's the padding, and the HDMI cable comes with it free, and there's also a power cable which I've used already. So some booklets and CD-ROM which I don't think is needed. And so here's the back panel here, which I don't think it's needed. Okay, let's look at the back of the monitor now. So now here we are again. This is the monitor itself, and I'm just going down here to see the back connections. So it is quite easy to get a mirror so they can view the connections underneath the ports easily. So you can see there's a HDMI in the middle, and then there's the standard VGA over here which I've connected it already, and there's a last one there which I think it's a display port or something else. Okay, so HDMI looks to be in the middle. Now so that is the connections, and then on the next side there's the power. So I won't, in fact I can just put a mirror down there and show. So this mirror comes in very handy, especially when you've want to set it up after you have stood up the computer. So yes, so it's not showing very well here, but a mirror comes in handy for the setup. So one of the last things that I will show is the actual power button. Now the power button is not on any of the sides here, nor here, but in fact it's in the middle here. So there's a little white thing here which looks like a screw when you first unpack it. It looks like a little screw, but don't screw the middle bit here. It's because it is not a screw, it is the power button. So without pressing this, of course the monitor won't show anything. So this is the monitor being switched on, and here's the monitor itself. So thanks very much for watching.